Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to add the new column to the table in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. So let's try to enter into the MySQL workbench. Okay, so here you can see the two columns like student roll number and the student name. Okay, so the name of the table is student details. Okay, so here you can see only two rows are there and only two columns are there. Okay, and there was one more row like which I have already removed it. And now I want to add the new column to this particular table. Okay, suppose if you want to add the new column to this particular table means for that what you can do is like you can add the query or the command alter table student underscore details, and now I want to add one more column. So let's try to add the gender. Okay, so alter table student details, add gender, and the gender will be varchar. Okay, so now I want to add the new column, that is gender, to this particular table. So here you can see the two rows and the two columns. And now let's try to run this particular command or the query. And now again we'll try to check the entire details of this particular table. Enter. So now you can see the student roll number, student name, and the gender is present, and the new column, that is gender, has been added to this particular table. And here it is showing null because like I have not entered any values to that particular column. Okay, so once we add, like it will show like whether it is male or female or whatever. Okay, so this is how you can add the new column to this particular table in MySQL. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.